All right, what's up, fellas, senior boys? This is going to be the update for today. And the reason why it was going to be a little bit longer is because I wanted to get some more input from you guys. So this is everything that I'm telling you right now is subject to change, but at least the points are going to be non-negotiable, and meaning that I want you guys to try to do this as I stated. So there's 3 things that I want to mention in regards to our Love Banquet, which is going to be next Friday, February 16th, 2018, in Vision Center in Chapel A. So first point is I wanted to say was it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Subset of that is I want you guys to leave a lasting impression on the younger boys and sisters in Christ. And also number 2 is setting the standard on how to exhibit love for our sisters. So this thing, what it means is that in the second point, I'm going to give you guys your groups, but I want each of the groups to start getting younger guys who are in our ministry to be a part of what you guys are going to be doing. And the reason why I'm having the seniors do this is because I want you guys to sort of set the pace for what this is going to be like. So like food and decoration, those things are going to be a secondary thing. The primary thing is I want you guys to be able to finish or to get something like this going. So it's not how you start, it's how you finish. I want you to think about leaving a lasting impression on younger boys. So like, as a senior dude, what are the things that you do? What are the things that you say? How are you going to communicate these things that we're doing for this love banquet for these younger brothers that will look up to you as an example, and then setting the standard of how to exhibit love. Second point is groups. There are 4 main groups from the messenger group. Group 1 is Andre, Ben Min, and Brandon Sung. Group 2 is Chris, Ben Gill, and Daniel Kim. Group 3 is June, Justin, and Robin. And Group 4 is Sam O, Tim Kim, and Yoon Ho. Those groups are non-negotiable. I want you guys to, in these groups, you're gonna get more younger guys into your groups. So the max I want in each group, I don't want no more than 8 guys in each group. Okay, and if it's less, that's fine, but I don't want no more than 8 guys in the group. In these groups, you're gonna come up with acts of love. Okay, since there's 4 groups, we're gonna have 4 acts of love. So I want you to think about, as we do a love banquet service, right? We're gonna do 4 things throughout the night that are gonna be acts of love. So it can be either gifts, it can be a dance that you guys come up with, it can be a video presentation, it can be a poem, it can be whatever you want it to be, but it has to be an act of love from you as a brother to the girls as our sisters. Second thing I want you guys to learn in this is I want you guys to learn how to communicate, okay? So I don't want someone who is, I don't want there to be people just doing things because you normally do things. I want between the four groups here to communicate, and you're going to use the messenger group as a platform to communicate. You're going to choose 2 MCs, okay, 2 masters of ceremony. That's going to basically lead the whole night. Okay, so I'm going to help you guys. This is what we're going to do together. So you're not going to be alone in this, but in forming the groups, right? The younger guys into your groups, and then communicating with each other of who the 2 MCs are going to be, and then coming up with 4 acts of love. Those things, I want you guys to do it within your groups, okay? You're not going to communicate the 4 acts of love to the younger guys. The 4 acts of love that you guys figure out is going to be only in the groups that I just said, in groups 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? And then after that, the third thing is I want you to think about what are the things that you're going to do that are going to form memories, okay? It doesn't have to be the most exquisite thing in the world, But I want the sisters to know that you guys are at the very least putting your heart into this so that they feel loved, okay? I'm going to talk about this more later, but this is just the preliminary things that I want to talk about. The deadline that I want you guys to give me a response by is going to be on Saturday at 6 p.m. This coming Saturday, which is the 10th at 6 p.m. At that point, we're going to have a conference meeting, okay? I'm just going to meet with each of the groups at that point, okay? So I want 4 acts of love. You guys can, if there are similar things, then we'll do, then we'll have to hone it out a little bit more. But it's okay. So I want, again, Andre, Ben, and Brandon. You guys are group 1. Chris, Ben Gill, and Daniel Kim, you're in group 2. Junro, Justin, and Robin, you're group 3. Sam O, Tim Kim, and Yuno Choi, you are group 4. Talk, okay? By this Saturday, I'll have a conference meeting with each of the group members. I want you to think about who's going to be in your group that are going to be the younger brothers who are going to help you in doing the acts of love. Number 2, I want you to set the standard of exhibiting love to our sisters. Number 3, you're going to come up with 4 acts of love, okay, that we're going to do together, that we're going to do throughout the night on February 16th. Number 4 is you're going to learn how to communicate, and out of the 12 guys, you're going to choose 2 MCs who are going to lead the night for us on that Friday. And the 5th thing, the last one, is I want you to think about how we are going to form memories so that for you and for the sisters and everybody involved in our high school ministry will remember this love banquet, okay? If you have any kind of questions as to this, the video that I'm giving to you, you can put it in the message group so I try to answer it. But that message group, let's use it only for the love banquet and for what you guys are going to do, okay? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, dogs. Peace.